Okay, so someone in Ireland came up with this limbo thing, and then it moved into other countries, but it didn't move into all countries. So this comes out in the research. So, but the younger generations decided, well, that doesn't make any sense. Why would anybody believe that? If you believe in a God that offers forgiveness and offers love and offers peace, it makes no sense that you'd put babies that have done nothing wrong in a limbo.
Sure, wouldn't they put the parents who didn't baptize the kids in the limbo?
Oh, that's really funny.
If we're talking actually about forgiveness, whatever the hell that is, wouldn't it be the parents that need the forgiving, not the helpless child?
Well, yes, but you got to remember that none of this makes sense.
I'm sorry, I'm the one pointing that out.
I know.
This is Swiss cheese, okay?
Yes. So as the younger generations came along and went, no, I don't believe that, and I'm not going to have it. Then the Catholic Church said, oh, we better let it go because we're losing younger people.
Because traditionally and historically, Catholics have been really good at letting things go.
So they let it go.
You could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.